Another story comes out of Spokane. Olivia Perkins joined the Production and Manufacturing Academy to learn how to weld, and she wanted to create and sell her own metalwork. Congratulations, Olivia. He's here today. We wish you the best.
It was terrifying. I didn't know what exactly he was going to say or anything. All I knew was that I was somehow going to be mentioned. So then he said my name and then he pointed up to where I was with his hand, and like I had to stand up, and I was not expecting that, and that scared me. I was like, I was not ready for this. I was in woodshop 8th grade and I loved doing art. So I was looking for different ways to do art. For my CTE credit, I decided to go into the metal shop, and I loved doing the welding. I had so much fun doing it. The day before, Wade Larson from Wagstaff called me and was just like, so the governor wants to know if you can be in Olympia with one of your parents tomorrow. And I'm like, well, I have to call and see. So like I spent like the next couple hours just figuring out with my parents if they could get the day off. They're like, well, we both have work, but we're going to try and make this happen. And I'm like, okay, cool. So my dad was able to get the day off, and so I called Wade back and was like, yeah, we can come. It was the day before and it was a rush to see if I could even be there. Through the internship that I did, I got a scholarship to SCC for their welding program. So after I graduate, I'm going to SCC for their welding.